Good morning, guys. It is supposed to rain today, tonight, and like most of tomorrow. So it says, the weather apps say we're supposed to get like around a ½ inch of rain. And it's gonna be chilly, like a high of 42 tomorrow. And I think there's a high of like 50 today. And then obviously tonight, we're gonna get some snow out of it. It's not gonna accumulate. But it is going to be cold enough tonight where it's going to snow a little bit, kind of like probably like a freezing rain more than anything. So I got the shed open for the sheep so they can go in there and get out of the weather, get out of the elements, and stay dry. So got them fed this morning. Now I'm going to head down and pitch the pigs some more hay so that they've got some stuff to burrow into before it starts raining here, and hopefully they'll stay warm. Man, I feel like I just did this, and that's because I did. It was only 2 days ago for me, but for you guys, it was like a week ago. In the last video, you saw me getting things ready for the rain. Well, supposedly, hopefully, it's gonna rain today. Samson's still sleeping, so we gotta wake him up so I can put some more hay in there for him. Morning, buddy. In the last video, we ran our firefighting rig to get all the water out of it so that we could winterize it for the winter. And the engine that runs the pump on this, there's something wrong with the float on the carburetor. So when you leave the gas on, and the engine's not running, then gas trickles down into the cylinder, and we did that the other day. So we have to take the spark plug out and turn over the engine, get all the gas out of the cylinder, and then drain the oil on it, and then put fresh oil in it, make sure it still runs, and then we can winterize this and get it put away for the winter. Ow, why is that so tight? Oh, it is. Oh, and the oil's running the wrong way. Oh no, it's good. Oh no, it's good. Got all the oil drained. So now we're gonna fill her up here, see if she runs. Fire rig is it's good to go, ready to be put away. So we're gonna move some stuff here so then we can get it put away for the winter. So it's just kind of starting to rain here. So I'm gonna go home and watch it rain the rest of the afternoon, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So we did end up getting some rain last night. Well, yeah, it was kind of like late afternoon before it really even started raining, kind of evening. But I really don't know if we got the ½ inch that they were thinking we were gonna get, but everything is wet and it is cold this morning. Pigs look all right. Samson, he ain't up yet. He's hanging out in his building there. And the sows, they're up, running around, so they're fine. And then, so I'm gonna go check on the sheep, see what they're up to. So it's just like really slowly drizzling now, and it's cold. So I think it's supposed to kind of like really slowly drizzle like this till like noon for like half the day. Then this afternoon I think it's just gonna be kind of cloudy and just still kind of stay cold. So the sheep look all right. Doesn't look like it bothers them too much. They got wool. They've had wool for a while, even when it was still like 80 degrees outside. So I think they're all right. So if you've been with us for a while, or you were with us last winter, early spring, you'll remember this pickup that Dad and I built the flatbed for last winter. So we've got it back in the shop and we're doing a little bit of maintenance on it, doing a little bit of restoring, if you want to put it that way. So we had a brake leak issue. The back right one, this pickup has drum brakes on the back. There's a little cylinder in there that pushes the brake pads out onto the drum, and it was leaking. So that guy right there, that cylinder. So we got new parts, new brake parts for both rear sides. So we're gonna do a complete brake job on the back, and then we've got the window tore out of it on this driver's side because the window regulator is pretty sure that's our problem, but it's in bad shape. So we got the windows tore out of this driver's side, and then so we're gonna get a new window regulator and put the windows back in. And then also sometime this winter we're gonna build some door panels for this thing because it doesn't have door panels. So, and then we've got some other small things that we could work on too, but the flatbed's pretty much done. It's all wired up. It's legal. It's got brake lights, running lights, and turn signals. The only thing that we can't figure out is our backup lights. We need to get those figured out sometime. and then the flatbed will be completely done. But for right now, it's plumb fine the way it is. So, but anyway, we're gonna get working on these brakes because it's cold and kind of like misting outside. So we're gonna work in the shop. So we got this side all put together. I think there's a lot of springs and small parts, so I think I got it all put together. Them guys just shut the light off on me. What the heck? Apparently they're in too big of a hurry to go to lunch. But anyway, yeah, I think I got it all on. New cylinder here. That's a new cylinder. Got all new springs, new pads. So yeah, we left the other side. Cole got the axle out and the tire off and the drum off over there, but we left that side together because we didn't know. I was thinking maybe I would have to use that side as a reference to put this side back together, which I did have to. But now that we got this side together, now we can tear apart the other side and get to working on that one over there. But I think we're gonna eat lunch first. Then we'll come back this afternoon and work on it. It's after lunch now, so we got the other side done before lunch. So now I'm going to start tearing apart this other side here and get it tore apart, then get all the new parts in. And it shouldn't be too bad now that I know what I'm doing. So it shouldn't take too long. So we'll get this knocked out hopefully, and then maybe we can get it drums back on both sides and get it completely done today. Okay, I got this side all put together. It's ready to go. So now it's just time to put the drum back on, bearings, nuts, all that good stuff, and the axle, of course, and then wheel, and it's good to go. So we got the brakes done, brakes bleeded, they're working. We got the tires back on, and everything's good to go brakes wise with this. So yeah, like I said, there'll be some more videos on this pickup because we gotta get some new window regulators for it so they work. Get some door panels built for it, get the heater going in it, and then this pickup will be pretty much set. So, but with that, I think that's just about gonna do it for this video. So thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the like button. Those things help us a lot. We really appreciate you clicking on this video and watching it, giving it a watch. So with that, as always, we'll catch you in the next one.